Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, which is about text animation. So let's get started. In this simple line of code, we have a div element with the class CSS and the attribute target set to blank. Now let's sprinkle some CSS magic onto this HTML snippet. Firstly, we have set the stage by giving the entire body a black background and the font family is set to cursive. Next, the div element with the class CSS. Here, font weight is set to 800 and font size is set to 100 pixel and the text decoration is none, keeping it clean. We have positioned the element of the center using absolute positioning and the transform translate here is set to -50%. Next, the background we have set to linear gradient in the shade of deep pink, white and black together. The WebKit background clip property, which reveals the gradient only within the text. By setting WebKit text fill color to transparent, the text becomes invisible. And the animation lasts for 5 seconds and repeats infinitely in a linear manner. The animation fill mode is set to forward. And here the WebKit text size adjust is set to none. Now let's add some keyframe. Here 0%, this is the starting point of the animation, it represents the beginning of the animation timeline. Background position is set to 0, which means the background initially positioned at the leftmost point. Here background position is set to 500 pixel, indicating that the background should be positioned 500 pixel from the left. That's it for today. If you found this exploration of CSS animation inspiring, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.